Hi friends, welcome back. So today I'm going into Michael's and I found some goodie for you guys. Some spring farmhouse decor. Okay, look how cute these signs are. I just love these signs for pantry. And these are really cute. These push and pull. You can put them on your door, just hang them. I like those. Those are new. So I love this big board. So chunky. And I think that'll be so cute in the kitchen. And then they have the refill papers down there. And then they have the antique galvanized big sign. It's pretty huge. I love that. It's really cute. And they have like just little chalkboard signs. Okay, how pretty are these yellow flowers? It just made me so happy and I can't wait for spring. And then they have this kitchen rules. It's really cute. I like what it says. So very farmhouse-ish. Okay, cute pig. It's pretty heavy, that pig. He's so cute. And this is like their, I guess, their color, which I love, that kind of sage green. Okay, I just love it. And those are measuring cups, and the other ones are little mini milk jugs. You can put flowers in there. It's very pretty. And then they have a little mini scale, and I love this sign, this eat sign. And how pretty are these yellow flowers? They go with the other ones. It's a teardrop wreath. Gorgeous. I just love it. And then they have these little mini mason jars, which you could put like pretty little flowers in there, single flowers. They have this nice clock. I like that clock. It's pretty big. And then they have salt, flour, sugar, tea, and coffee. It's a nice wooden sign for the kitchen. And then this a huge spice rack. It's pretty big, guys. Okay, I'm in love with this pantry sign. It is so pretty. I like the wood. I like the lettering. I like that little green in there. I just love that. Okay, and then I found some stools, which that color again, like that sage. Okay, I love this wooden sign with the spices. It's so cute. I think I'm going to buy this. I just love it. They had that last year. They had that last year. Okay, they have these two-tier baskets, which I love. You can put them in your kitchen, in your bathroom. I might buy it because I need it for my bathroom. And then they have these crates. So this is the only one I found. I don't know if they're going to bring any more in. Okay, I love these two cutting boards. If this doesn't scream farmhouse, I don't know what it does. I just love them. I'm in love with those. And then they have these 3 bottles. You can put flowers or anything you want in there. And then they have a soap dispenser. It's giving you all that farmhouse vibe. All right. I love these cake pans and these cookie pans. Just put in your kitchen to give that really like farmhouse rustic look in there. Or I like this, no bitching in my kitchen. Okay, and you see they match so beautifully together. I think I want those for my kitchen. I think I want to put yellow. Okay, look what I found. Yellow stools up there. I think I'm going to just put all yellow in my kitchen. All right, and then I found a wall of signs. All right, how cute are these? These are shutters, and that's sage green. And then just a whole bunch of like spring, I guess you want to say, signs. I love the flea market. I love one way. That's so cute. Enjoy the ride with the bike. These are really springy. I love this. This is 3-dimensional with the 2 baskets. So cute. Be kind. I love this big wheel. So cute. More signs. Really cute. This is like a lot of like family signs right here in the middle. I found this big love sign, which is really cute. And the home sign. Yeah, over here is mostly like for the home and family. This is us. That's a nice sign. A nice home sign. They're pretty big. I like this. Bless our home with the enamel in the middle. All right, this is like more kitchen signs. Wicked chickens make deviled eggs. That's cute. All right, and this is a huge enamel. All the measurings that you could possibly want is on there. And then for like beer and for coffee, this is more like kitchen, like coffee and, signs like that. Gathering signs, which is cute. I like this, our family. Everything they say on here, I just love it. And it's really big. All right, over here it's like a big coffee sign. It's part of the kitchen. And then rise and grind, kitchen sign, coffee. You can have a nice coffee bar with that sign. That's cute too. I like 'cause it has that green in there. That big eats diner. They had this one before. Another eat sign. Drink. Okay, how cute is this mainstream coffee shop? It's in a big enamel sign. All right, over here is like the laundry signs, which I'm in love with that. It's a big enamel sign. Over here is, all the symbols for the laundry, which is cute. Another laundry sign. Okay, I love this. Drop your pants here. Self-serve. I might buy that one. That is cute for the laundry room. Lather, rinse, repeat. I don't think that belongs here. Maybe. Okay, and this is another big sign. I like this one. I might put that in my kids' room, bathroom. All right, and then inside for your shower, for your shampoos and stuff. I like this sign. These are not that big, but you could put that on your bathroom door, and the other one you could put on your laundry door. So I'm debating. I think I might get those. I gave them to my daughter. All right, sign. It's nice to put in the bathroom and hang the towels. And I love this laundry bar because you can dry you can dry stuff on this, which is great. Okay, and then I found some Easter stuff. I'm gonna just give you a little peek. That's all they had. But all that is gonna be filled with Easter stuff, guys. I think it's to make your own wreaths over here, which is giving me a lot of ideas. I would like to make that into a wreath. So yeah, just going to show you. I'm going to come back and show you all the Easter stuff, definitely. All right, they have all the gorgeous spring flowers out. I couldn't believe it, so I had to show you guys because it's so beautiful. Look at these beautiful flower garlands. They're just so gorgeous. Look at that beautiful rose. They look real. They look so real to me. It's just making my heart so happy to see all these beautiful colors. Just look at them. The wreaths. The oranges are so gorgeous. I just love them. And all the pinks are so pretty. I like how they just put everything, like coordinating all the pinks together. Some baby's breath. The pinks are so pretty. I just love them. So many roses. I just love this wreath, guys. Look how pretty. More garland. So pretty, these garlands, too. And then all the purple flowers. Purples are so pretty, too. All right, so I'm going to show you a little of the office section. Since it's a new year, everyone wants to organize and get all their things, organized. All right, so this is like for your office. It's like very glam, which so pretty. I love this, that little to-do list. That one's really cute. So is this one. I like this. They're a little pricey, but they're 30% off, guys. So if you want anything, get it now. Anyway, this is like a chalkboard, but very, glam. The letters are so pretty. You can spell your name or anything. Okay, I love this one because everything I can possibly want. See, it's like glam office. It's really pretty. The section had really cute things. There's a mirror, chalkboards. I mean, so many. Calendars, beautiful signs. Gold digger, that's cute. To put your mail or your papers or your magazines. I like this one. I like because you can, you can erase it and just put anything you want. Chalkboard. These are enamel. They're really cute. To have them on your desk. You put anything in there. Your mail. And this is cute. This is for to blow your nose. For napkins. It says bless. And then these in black. They had in gold. They have them over here in black, which is pretty too. I like that. You got to get all organized. Explore. They have cute signs, just like very like motivating signs. These are really cute and bright. Just gives you like a good feeling. And then they have galvanized on the other side. This one's nice too. This one's huge. They're pretty big, all of these. Chalkboard. This sign is cute. I love everything it says on it. This is really fun. You can put it in your room. You can even put it in the kids' room to always remind them to be kind, and it's good for some adults too. I believe in being kind and saying good words. If you have nothing nice, if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say nothing at all, right, guys? All right. Thank you for coming along, and I wish you guys a very, very happy new year. And let me know what was your favorite in here. What would you buy? What did you like? All right. So stay tuned for more of my other videos. I will be going back. I don't know if this is everything, but thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye. Don't mind me, my voice, I was sick. I had actually laryngitis, guys. All right, bye.